We're hanging out today at the Stratasys trailer. Thank you to Smart Start Pasco County for making all of this happen. This is really, really cool. We're gonna go inside, take a look at some of these machines and why Stratasys makes awesome. This is gonna be a really cool one. Look at this trailer. Look at those graphics. I want 3D printers on the side of my vehicle. Big boy 3D printing. Take a look at this. This is a big, I'm told, SLA 3D print. Your Elgoose Saturns and even your Peopoly Phenom Noir XL, whatever they're calling it, can't touch that in size. That part is huge. Cane handle for scale. I don't have a banana. I should tell them to print a banana. That would be phenomenal. I'm gonna go tell them they need to print a banana. Oh wait, it's 3D printed. Absolutely amazing. You got a pear, you got yourself a peach. Look at some of these parts. Absolutely, like the surface finish. The surface finish. Look at all this high temp stuff. Absolutely amazing from Stratasys. More to come. I am really, really excited. 3D printing is just so cool. Oh yeah, metal. Look at this. It's a big chunk of metal. It's Inconel. That is ridiculous. If you don't know about Inconel, we're gonna do a video on it coming soon. Really, really cool material, but this stuff is nuts. If you could get an idea of the weight of this, I mean, it's metal. It's actual metal. This is direct metal laser sintering. Really, really cool process. And it's able to make things you can't make any other way. This is impossible to be made any other way. And if you think I'm wrong, prove it. Really, really cool stuff here too. This was likely cut with a wire EDM so you can see the interior structures of it. Absolutely amazing. Oh, look at me. I'm just a little Makerbot. Look at these parts. It's a $10,000 person. For all you guys out there wondering what the inside of a Makerbot Method X looks like, and we're taking a look at the insides, and they're running ribbon cables. Why do you run ribbon cables? There are your hot ends. Bowden style, I would guess. Interesting setup. Interior. Got that nice pretty screen though. I'll give it that. The screen looks good. All you high temp junkies, we couldn't miss some Ultem 9085. Absolutely amazing material. Gorgeous 3D print from Stratasys. It is an ECS duct for an aircraft. We've got the same part back here. Well, ECS duct just different, but in the Antero 800 NA. Phenomenal pieces here at the Stratasys trailer. Taking a look at the Stratasys J55. It's basically a baby J750. You can take a look on the inside. We have a spinning turntable style 3D printer with one moving head. But look at some of the cool stuff it's able to do. Taking this. Its colors and shore values. Look at that, from 30A all the way up to dead solid. Look at that 30A. Look at how soft it is. Absolutely amazing materials, all printed, like 100% 3D printed in PolyJet. I don't believe this was done on the J55 because it doesn't really fit, but maybe it was. Really, really cool. This definitely wasn't. Look at that number, J850. Absolutely gorgeous piece of example, just pristine example of 3D printing. You might look at this and say, wow, that's just a regular finger. Well, you'd be wrong. You notice there's bone in it, and oh yeah, the joints are there too. Absolutely crazy. This is their Lego soft material with a digital ABS bone. Really, really cool material. And just like that, we're out of here. What a really awesome experience inside of the Stratasys trailer here at Smart Start Pasco County at the Grove and Wesley Chapel. Absolutely amazing experience. If you want to learn more about Stratasys, we'll have all the links to the machines that you saw today in the description down below. We're gonna do a whole video going over everything that we saw today, why it is cool, and why we want to keep seeing more of it. As always, everyone, stay safe out there, call your relatives, and keep making awesome. This is Grant with 3D Musketeers. Have a good one.